Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also some of these secret codes. So to enter them, you have to open the phone application, open keypad on it, and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *## 225 £. Let's try it one more time. 225 £*##. And this is the calendar info menu. If you have some of the calendars, they will be displayed here. The next code will be *## 426 £*##. This is the FCM diagnostics menu. You can see display some of the informations here. Very useful ones, I guess. Next code will be *## 759 £*##, and this is the Google Partner Setup Access. You have some of the features here too. You can watch this kind of informations here. The next code will be *## 288 £6, and this is the testing menu. You can test different features of your device. You can start the automatic testing, you can test them all manually. As you can see, you can test here keypad, camera, audio, vibration, USB, and other features from this list. So let's, for example, and as you can see, that's how you can test all of this. And that's how you can, for example, test keys if they work, and other features from this list. And the last code for today will be *#06#, and this is the code which displays your email number 1, email number 2, and also this SVN number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.